What's up? It's CD Miss here, and welcome to my new SideQuest tutorial. I'd like to say a big thank you to the subscribers, the many viewers that comment beautifully inspiring things to me. Like, I know it's cliche to say this, but really, it does make me want to cry. Only if this video gets 10 likes. With all seriousness, thank you, and I will try my best. I'm making this video because at the moment, my how to install SideQuest tutorial is my most viewed video on my channel with a whopping 1,000 views, which is absolutely crazy. However, it's only half of the tutorial, and the second half is how to sideload, which isn't doing so hot. So I feel bad that 1,000 people are only getting half of the story. So now this tutorial is being made. But before this video starts, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now, let's get started. First of all, let's begin with the items you'll need. An Oculus headset, an Android phone because Apple is not yet supported. I know, it sucks. The Oculus app installed onto your phone. And lastly, a connection cable for the two devices, which is a USB-C to whatever your phone connector is. Mine is a USB-C as well. Secondly, we will quickly become an Oculus developer. On your phone, type in developer.oculus.com. Manage, organizations, create. The link will be in the description, don't worry, or right here, around my face, somewhere. And log in with your Oculus or Facebook account. You will be redirected to a page in which you will create your organization name. Hint to self, it can be called whatever you want. Agree to all the terms and services and head over to the Oculus App. Click the devices icon near the bottom and then developer mode. Click the slider and make sure it's blue to enable developer mode officially. Thirdly, installing SideQuest and connecting your devices. Open up your Google Play Store and type in SideQuest onto the search bar. Install SideQuest and open it up. While open, connect your SideQuest and phone with the cable. You should get a pop-up to allow SideQuest to access your headset. Click Always Allow and OK. Now strap on your headset and check for the USB debugging notification. Check the Always Allow box and then OK. Now if you completed the steps properly, the red icon at the bottom should turn green, meaning you're ready to start sideloading. Lastly is how to sideload. So there are two ways to sideload games to your headset, through a wired and wireless connection. Now, with the wired version, it's the easiest way. Make sure you're still connected via green light. Tap on the game and click install to headset. Basically, that's all there is to it. However, this method is known to drain up your device's battery very quickly. So this begs the question, how do you charge your phone and sideload games at the same time? This is where the wireless method comes into play. Again, make sure you're still connected through the cable and make sure you still see a green light. If so, then navigate to the wireless icon near the bottom left corner. Once the page opens up, click Enable Wi-Fi and go through all the pop-ups, clicking Allow. When done, you can now begin unplugging your cable. However, navigate right back to the wireless icon on the bottom left. In this section, please type in your headset's local IP address and then click Connect. Quick tip, you can find this IP address by clicking on the Wi-Fi icon inside your Quest, navigating to the network you're connected to, going to Advanced, and finding it in the IP address section. Once you put in your IP address and click Connect, you should notice that you have a green light icon at the bottom, meaning you can now start sideloading games again, this time while charging your phone. Quick tip number 1, to find your sideloaded games, Inside your Oculus Quest, navigate to your apps. Then on the top right, click the drop-down menu and lastly select unknown sources. Quick tip number 2, sideloading games from the SideQuest app takes quite a while. So when using either method, try to keep the Quest headset turned on while downloading games by placing your finger on the sensor, just so it doesn't make you go through all the trouble of redoing the whole downloading process all over again. Quick tip number 3, App Lab games can also be downloaded through your SideQuest app on your phone. You should click the download on Oculus button, which will send you to the Oculus app so you can get your App Lab games. And stop! Now, I'd like to say I'm sorry for not making many videos in a while. I'm not dead or anything. I'm just working on a big video idea I had in mind. Don't worry, more videos will come soon. But until then, thanks for watching my SideQuest tutorial, and thanks for sticking around to the end. Help me spread VR knowledge to the world by clicking the like, share, comment, and subscribe. As always, thank you and have a good one.